Hey guys, here's an update on the 10-foot and 6-foot Anker cord replacements that Anker sent me. I just tested them out real quick and they work perfectly fine to where they can do the fast charge even. Unlike my other ones that I've had for either 2 to 4 years for the whole original ones I bought. And so the replacement ones work perfectly fine. Fast charge works, so I'm happy. So yeah guys, hopefully you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the icon so you get notified when I upload live stream, make YouTube shorts, and hope to make a future to get notified when I posting. Be that bye guys, peace, I'm out.